The Unihertz Hike is coming very soon. So in this video, I'll be comparing the specs of the Unihertz 8849 Hike with that of the Unihertz 8849 Tank 4 Pro. Now the Tank 4 Pro is a much more expensive device. It costs about $700. That's the price of the Tank 4 Pro. While the Unihertz Hike is a much more affordable 4G rugged phone that's expected to be sold for around $350. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, the Tank 4 Pro is a much more powerful rugged phone, but of course the Unihertz Hike is also a very nice rugged phone, and of course it's expected to be very affordable. As I mentioned earlier, the Tank 4 Pro costs $700, guys. That's its retail price. It's not cheap at all, while the Unihertz Hike, or the 8849 Hike, is expected to be sold for $350, but let's just say $400. But early buyers, that is, it's available for pre-sale, so early buyers would be able to get it for just $299.99. that's $300. So the Unihertz Hike is very affordable, and of course it has some features that are much more better than that of the Tank 4 Pro, including its battery capacity. It has a 23,800 milliampere hour battery. As you can see, it's literally more than twice the size of the battery life of the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. But of course, both devices support 120 watts fast charging. Well, anyways, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.